Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate YouTube and Vimeo videos in Elementor Video Player. This is a fantastic way to embed professional video content directly into your WordPress pages, giving your visitors a seamless viewing experience without leaving your site. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're inside, navigate to Pages and click on Add New Page. This will create a fresh page where you can build your video content. After the page is created, click on Edit with Elementor to launch the page builder interface where all the magic happens. Now that Elementor is open, look for the search bar on the left panel and type in Video Widget. This widget is specifically designed to handle video embeds from various platforms. Once you see the video widget appear in the results, simply click on it or drag it to your preferred destination on the page. This step places the video player exactly where you want it to show up for your visitors. With the video widget now on your page, shift your attention to the left panel where you'll see the Content tab. Under this tab, look for the Source option. By default, this might be set to a different platform, so go ahead and change it to YouTube if you want to add a YouTube video. This tells Elementor which platform you're pulling the video from, ensuring proper embedding and functionality. Next, paste your YouTube video's link into the link field. Make sure you're copying the full URL from YouTube's address bar to ensure the video loads correctly. Once pasted, the video should appear in the preview on your page. Now, if you want to add another video, this time from Vimeo, the process is almost identical. Go back to the search bar in Elementor and search for the video widget again. Click or drag it to wherever you'd like this second video to appear on your page. This flexibility allows you to create engaging layouts with multiple videos. In the left panel, under the Content tab, again, look for the Source option and this time change it to Vimeo. This switch ensures that Elementor knows you're embedding a Vimeo video instead of YouTube. Then paste your Vimeo video's link into the link field just like you did before. Here's where you can get more control over playback. You can adjust the start time and end time if you only want a specific portion of the video to play. This is especially useful if you're showcasing a highlight or a particular segment. Additionally, you can toggle options like mute and autoplay by selecting yes. Autoplay can be great for background videos or when you want content to start immediately, though keep in mind some browsers may require videos to be muted for autoplay to work. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated both YouTube and Vimeo videos into your Elementor page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.